DJI caught us in a pretty unexpected way with its official announcement of the Mini 3. This is actually a cut-down version of the DJI Mini 3 Pro, so you have to consider some features if you're willing to get this. That said, the Autel EVO Nano also raised its stakes budget-wise. Both drones are compact, foldable, and ultra-lightweight. But in terms of functionality, they do differ. So, let's find out how far they can compete with each other. By looking at the name of the Mini 3, you can already assume it's an affordable version of its Pro brother. And for that, it doesn't have a lot of design changes. Yes, it's almost identical to the Mini 3 Pro except for the forward and rear obstacle sensor, which is missing from the Mini 3 and replaced by grills and smooth plastic. On the other hand, the Autel EVO Nano pretty much resembles the DJI Mini 2 in terms of design, size, and weight. Both Mini 3 and EVO Nano have foldable arms as well as weigh only 249 grams. So, both are perfect tools for entry-level users and outdoor adventurers. They also boast a 3-axis gimbal for delivering stable footage. However, you will not be getting vertical shooting mode in the Autel EVO Nano. Now, let's see how they compare in the camera. Well, the Mini 3 comes with the exact sensor size as the Mini 3 Pro, which is 1 by 1.3 inch. Anyway, the Mini 3 can capture photos and videos in 12 megapixels, whereas the EVO Nano has a 48 megapixel camera. Even, the EVO Nano is equipped with a slightly larger sensor, which is 1 by 1.2 inch. Actually, that's not gonna make a huge impact on the quality. Furthermore, the Autel EVO Nano is able to zoom up to 16 times, whereas the Mini 3 can zoom up to 4 times. In terms of video recording, both drones can capture 4K HDR footage at 30 FPS and 2.7K at 60 FPS. Also, they're good at capturing more color in low-light environments. The Mini 3 has dual native ISO to perform better in low light. Moreover, the 10-bit color log is missing in both drones. In terms of AI features, the Mini 3 falls behind as it comes with only quick shots. There's also no APAS or active track, but the Mini 3 comes with some safety features to help beginners, including auto return home and auto takeoff. So, the Mini 3 will come to the starting point when the signal drops or the battery is low. On the other hand, the EVO Nano has AI features like rocket, orbit, flick, and fade away to make cinematic shots with a single click. It also supports software that can help you to obtain a portrait screen. Besides, Dynamic Track 2.1 helps the EVO Nano to automatically follow any person, vehicle, or animal. Regarding video transmission, the Mini 3 is equipped with OcuSync 2, which can transmit 720p videos at 30 FPS. And the range you'll get is up to 10 kilometers. The Autel EVO Nano can also give you up to 10 km transmission range with its Autel Skylink feature, but it can ensure 2.7K video transmission at 30 FPS. Another thing that the Mini 3 lacks is the obstacle avoidance. You won't have a forward and backward sensor except for a downward vision system for precise hovering, so flying it in the forest or city might be dangerous. Whereas, the EVO Nano sports 3-way binocular vision sensors that enable the drone to perceive obstructions in front of it, behind it, and below it. As for the battery life, the Mini 3 might surprise you as it now has an improved battery life compared to the Mini 3 Pro. You'll get a maximum flight time of up to 38 minutes with a standard battery, and with an extended battery, it can reach up to 51 minutes easily. From the Autel EVO Nano, you'll get up to 28 minutes of flight time. The DJI Mini 3 is available at $469 without a remote controller, whereas the standard EVO Nano has a price tag of $799. In short, both DJI Mini 3 and Autel EVO Nano seem quite good enough for beginners. But compared to EVO Nano, the Mini 3 lacks so many things, including some AI features, obstacle avoidance sensors, and video transmission quality. The good thing though is DJI Mini 3 having an improved battery life and a comparatively lower price tag. So for the Autel EVO Nano, a hefty price tag is questionable. We would say with this price tag, you'll get a more professional drone. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.